Press Windows plus R, type services.mmsc, and press Enter. Select any and type X. In the Services window, find Services on Display and double-click each of the following set startup type to automatic. Then click Stop. Wait 2 seconds and click Start again. Click Apply. OK each. Next, press Start, type CMD, right-click it, Run as administrator. Now paste the following commands one by one in description and press Enter after each once completed. Close the window and restart your PC. Don't worry, this completely wipes cached store data, clears expired certificates, and resets the DNS layer that the Xbox Store uses for authentication. It's like cleaning the invisible layers that trigger instant app crashes. Open Settings. Windows Update. Advanced Options. Delivery Optimization. Allow downloads from other PCs, turn it off. Click on Terminal, Admin, and type these commands one by one. Wait for both scans to finish. It can take several minutes.